As an Ahmadi, does Hazur allow us or recommend us to follow this trend of boycotting companies from Israel?
If you feel comfortable to boycott these companies, then you can do it. There is no harm in it. I have no objection against it. So, but if you don't purchase anything, what will happen? Until and unless governments take action, and especially Islamic governments, taking action against the product of Israel, then they can actually affect the economy of, or to some extent, the production and the profit of Israeli companies. Otherwise, by taking a single personal action, it will not make any significant effect on their product or their business. But if you feel comfortable, you can do it, no problem. There is no harm. If Ahmadis decide to boycott the Israeli product, that's okay. Is it written on the product that it is the Israeli product? Nobody knows. Even I know sometimes you do not read even the ingredients of the food items. Sometimes some people bring chocolate from Belgium, and when I read the ingredients, there's the alcohol in it. Sometimes they bring jam and there's lard in it. When they bring those things for me, that means they themselves are taking it. If you don't take care of eating those things and you are not very much vigilant in knowing the ingredients of the product, which is haram, then how possible that you will know that this product was made by Israel? But nobody bothers to read who is producing it. You just take it and eat it. So you will first have to make the list of all the products which are being made by Israelis. Then make it public for the Ahmadis and other Muslims to know that these products are Israeli products and they should not take it. Then, of course, it will give a significant effect on their business. Otherwise, no use of it. Right?